Welcome back to our iMonitor tutorial video series. In this session, we'll help you troubleshoot and resolve eventual issues you may encounter, whether it's related to GPS, calibration, or other concerns. Auto steering preconditions. To ensure auto steering functions correctly, make sure the following conditions are met. Activate field mode. Ensure the system is not locked in transport mode. Operator presence. Confirm the operator is seated, as the system will only engage if the seat is occupied. Speed and approach angle. Adjust the speed or approach angle if you experience cross-track or heading errors when attempting to engage auto steering. Steering calibrations. To ensure proper functionality of the auto steering system, it must be calibrated. If the system calibration has not been performed yet, follow these steps. Ensure that the receiver is installed correctly and drive to a flat place that will not interfere with the calibration before beginning. This place should be away from high voltage and large metal objects, with space to drive in complete circles as well as straight lines of at least 150 meters. Perform wheel angle sensor (WAS) calibration. From the steering options menu, select Auto Steer Calibration and after Wheel Angle Sensor. If the component reports as calibrated, still complete the calibration procedure if the receiver has not been calibrated on this vehicle. Follow the prompts until the screen states that the calibration is completed successfully and then confirm with OK. We recommend calibrating the wheel angle sensor every 6 to 12 months or following any adjustments. Perform mounting bias calibration. Mounting bias, the initial offset of the GPS receiver from horizontal, can be influenced by factors such as tire pressure, tire sizing, changes in mounting location, removing and refitting the receiver, or other external effects. Mounting bias calibration should be performed if any of the mentioned changed, or at a minimum once every 6 to 12 months. From the steering options menu, select Auto Steer Calibration and after Mounting Bias. If the component reports as calibrated, still complete the calibration procedure if the receiver has not been calibrated on this vehicle. Follow the prompts until the screen states that the calibration is completed successfully and then confirm with OK. The steering calibration screen will display calibrated for wheel angle sensor and mounting bias. Confirm with OK to return. Vehicle geometry and profile errors. If you receive a vehicle profile or geometry error, it means the system might not be properly configured for your specific tractor or implement. Set or review vehicle geometry. In the Vehicle Setup menu, ensure that the dimensions for vehicle geometry and implemented width are correct. Profile mismatch. Select the correct vehicle profile, as an incorrect selection can prevent auto steering from engaging. Maximum auto steering angle and vehicle steering angle misalignment. If the maximum auto steering angle is not aligned with the vehicle's maximum steering angle, you can adjust it by opening the steering options menu. Auto steer tuning parameters. Limiting the auto steering angle below the vehicle's physical maximum will restrict the turning radius, preventing the tractor from utilizing its full turning capability, which is available with manual steering. Actual angles may vary based on your setup, tire specifications and equipment such as front loaders. For accurate calibration, follow these steps. Go to the tractor menu, ASM Setup. Turn the steering wheel fully left, then fully right, and note the maximum angle displayed. Use this value to set the max steering angle in auto steer tuning parameters. This ensures that the auto steering system is properly aligned with the vehicle's capabilities, optimizing both safety and performance. Correction source setup. Signal quality, and diagnostics. If you're experiencing inaccuracies or losing signal, the following steps might help. Check signal strength in the dashboard, verify the strength of the cellular or, if applicable, wireless signal. Check data traffic. On the system information page, verify if data traffic is functioning properly or switch to a different provider. If necessary, renew your data package. Your dealer can assist you with this process. Check GPS panel. Ensure the GPS panel confirms the following. System readiness. The green satellite icon indicates good accuracy. Correction quality. The correction source in use should be listed along with position accuracy. If the system does not confirm this, go to System, GPS, Correction to verify the correction source. Correction source setup. GPS correction sources are used to increase the accuracy of the GPS position. Ensure you're using the correct correction source, such as EGNOS, TopNet or RTK Ntrip. If using Ntrip, enter the required information and password accurately. Fallback. If the system is not receiving enough data to compute the vehicle's position with the required accuracy, auto steering cannot be engaged. The fallback feature allows the system to reduce the position accuracy requirements so that auto steering can be engaged. This is useful in situations where a high degree of position accuracy is not required. Note: it is recommended that fallback is not enabled when using SkyBridge to maintain higher accuracy. SkyBridge. If you're using either RTK UHF or RTK Ntrip, then you have the opportunity to use SkyBridge. This allows the receiver to fall back to SkyBridge to maintain sub-decimeter accuracy when RTK corrections are lost for any reason. Note: to use SkyBridge, a time-limited license is required. Your dealer will assist you with the purchase and activation. That concludes this troubleshooting guide. We hope this video helps you resolve any issues quickly. For further assistance, feel free to contact your dealer. Be sure to check out our other videos for additional tips and tricks on making the most of your iMonitor.